Hello everybody and welcome back to Style Me With Love. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a couple of weeks since I saw you guys and I've had the most fantastic news that I hit my 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much to all of you that have subscribed to my channel. It really means so much and really just encourages me to keep doing what I'm doing, which is just so fantastic because I enjoy it so much. So thank you to all of you to start off. In today's video, I wanted to talk about something that I'm really passionate about in fashion, and that is capsule wardrobe pieces. Capsule wardrobe pieces are things that you invest in, the basic items that you need in your wardrobe to kind of make everything go together. I love a good capsule wardrobe because everything kind of interlinks and goes with each other, and you can make so many outfits out of a good 10 to 12 items usually. These items that I picked out today are things that I consistently wear in my wardrobe for years, and some of these items are actually over 5 years old because from being somebody that wears their clothes to death and only buys things that I absolutely love or know I'm going to get loads of wear out of. Now there's such a good range in this collection of clothes I've got here. Some items were like £6 and some items were like £100. A lot of capsule and classic items I would always pick up in a sale. It's a great time to invest in capsule wardrobe pieces because you get better quality for better money. So guys, without further ado, I'm going to move on to my first capsule wardrobe piece. So I am going to start on an absolute high and I am going to show you this amazing blazer which I bought from Zara. This is about a year old and it's an amazing piece to invest in. It's completely classic. It has amazing shape on the shoulders and just looks very elegant on. Now this blazer is such a hero piece when you want to look effortlessly chic, when you want to walk into a room and have a power piece on that just looks really elegant and effortless. It fits me like a glove and I think that's one of the things that makes it look so expensive. I bought this originally for £70, so it was an expensive piece for me to buy. I did this navy blazer dressed 5 different ways in one of my videos, and honestly you can just reinvent this so many times. So I would definitely invest in something like a navy or a black blazer that fits you really well. So yeah, absolutely love that piece. Okay guys, moving on to another very classic, elegant looking piece. It is black wide leg trousers. Now high-waisted black wide leg trousers are amazing if you're the kind of lady that loves to show off your waist and hide your bottom. If you really want to elongate your legs, a black high-waisted pant is definitely the way to go. Now I love black high-waisted trousers. I just think these are so effortless again, so elegant, and you can wear them in so many different ways. These are perfect for work time with some pointed boots and a cool little white shirt just tucked in, really crisp and very Victoria Beckham. Also they take me straight to a night out because they look amazing with like a bodysuit underneath and some high heels. These ones that I bought were from Mango and these were £50 last season. Incredible buy, and yeah, I just love these and I get so many compliments when I wear them. Okay, so moving on to something a little bit more casual now. It is the classic denim shirt. Now this is a denim shirt that I picked up last year in Primark for £8. It's the perfect item for spring, summer, autumn, winter. In the summer, I totally wear this just as like a jacket on top of like a little t-shirt, like a little white tee like you can see underneath now. However, it also looks really nicely just tucked into skirts, like a leather skirt. This looks amazing tucked into with a leather skirt and boots. And it also takes me through as a layering piece for winter, so you can throw a jumper over this and have the collar sticking out and it just looks really cute. So super versatile, not an expensive piece, and this Primark one has been really good quality to me. This is over a year old. It's definitely done me amazing value, and that's why denim pieces are great for just building your capsule wardrobe because they're super versatile and they take you through all seasons. Okay, so underneath the denim shirt, as you can see, is the little white tee. Now, the little white tee is that perfect piece that you need to find. This one is a Zara one. This was £5.99 and they do still have them in stock. They do them every season. I absolutely love the fit of this Zara one. It washes well and it goes obviously with everything you wear it with. Tucked into mom jeans, tucked into any cute little skirt. You know, your navy blazer, the little white tee is the investment piece we all need. Whether you prefer them V-neck or a crew neck, find one that fits you really well. Super versatile, super easy to wear. I'm going to move on to a coat option, and I would be completely doing you all over if I did not include the classic trench. Now, as you can see, this is a completely classic oversized trench coat. It's a really lovely stone colour, which means it just goes with any single colour you want to put it with. They make every outfit just look so finished and sleek and chic. And the thing is, I feel like coats have to be a really nice piece of what you wear, especially when you live in the UK, because you're going to be wearing a coat with pretty much every outfit apart from for about 3 weeks in the summer. So a decent coat that you love is worth investing in, and the trench is always going to match all of your outfits. Now, this trench I picked up in Next in the sale. I spotted it when it was full price and it was £65, and then I waited until the sale and it went down to 20. And this one's just very classically oversized and long. The trench will take you from work and business to date night to Saturday mornings. Put them with your leggings, your skinny jeans, a pair of Stan Smiths and a cool hat, and again, like, you're rocking like how many different looks. Out of all the coats you want to invest in, a trench is the one that I would. Moving on to, I suppose, occasion wear. First up is the classic black jumpsuit. Now, this may look like not very special on the hanger, but don't be deceived, guys. This jumpsuit is so effective. If you want to look really cute, elegant, show off your figure, a long sleeve, long leg jumpsuit is honestly one of the best things you can buy. What I love about this jumpsuit is it's such a versatile basic piece that you can reinvent this over and over again. I've worn this with so many different looks over the years. Personally, my favorite way to wear this is to put a gold belt in the middle, cinch in that waist, maybe a bit of a statement necklace on top, and some really funky shoes. And the thing is, with things like this, you can wear the coolest, brightest, cutest shoes in the world. You can put it with absolutely amazing statement bags, and it just looks so effective on and so elegant and expensive. Now, this one was one I invested in when I worked at Reiss, so I got some discount on there because I was staff, but I remember it being full price. It was roughly 180, and remember, there's always end of season sales, and they do have a lot of this kind of thing left over, because I think people see these plainer pieces and don't realise how amazing they look on because they just see them on the rail. Always look in your outlet shops for things like this. Brands like Jaeger, Whistles, Reiss, they're always going to do really classic items like this, and they're always going to go into the outlet shops, all the sales. This is nearly 5 years old. I mean, that's incredible, and the quality, the condition of it, I really looked after it, and it still looks amazing. Now, a great alternative to the black jumpsuit, which is obviously going to be the little black dress. Now, I have quite a few little black dresses, few different styles, but I thought I would just pick up something really classic and key and something really versatile, and that is this lovely lace top black sort of swing dress that I picked up in Zara sale last year. I only paid £10 for this, but it is the cutest little dress. Again, takes me to so many different occasions because this looks great with some like thigh boots or knee boots. It looks really cute with statement boots and a leather jacket, and it also just looks really sweet around the office. So I've just got quite a few options for something like this. The little black dress, no matter what style or cut you go for, make sure you find one that just fits you really well and makes you feel amazing. It's the great last minute piece when you're just fed up and you don't know what to wear. Stick a little black dress on with some really cute, sparkly, amazing shoes and an awesome clutch, and guarantee you'll always look flawless, effortless, and really chic. Okay, so moving back to casual classics, it is, of course, the Breton Tee. I wouldn't be anywhere without a Breton Tee in my wardrobe, I tell you. And I do have probably about 10 different styles of these. But this is one of my favourites. This is one I picked up in the French Connection sale a few years back, and it's just a great versatile Breton Tee. As you can see, it's completely oversized, and it's just the perfect piece to tuck into your running leggings on a Saturday, your skinny jeans, or tuck it into cute little A-line skirts, and it takes you anywhere. Personally, I love a Breton Tee with a bit of a leopard print next to it. I think that is such a lovely contrasted look. But if you want to keep things simple, shove it with some mom jeans, your trench coat, your trainers, and you're good to go. I would definitely invest in a couple of these. You'll get so much wear out of them, and again, like, like I said before, they do go with absolutely everything you'll own. Okay guys, so staying casual, I am going to show you my next investment piece, and it is the mom jean, or I suppose what I would say is a straight leg classic blue jean. The style of a jean obviously is always going to depend on your figure, because there are certain types of jeans that, as we all know, don't flatter all of us. These ones I picked up in Primark actually last year, and again they were in the sale. I got them for a £5. The Primark like more thicker denim jeans, I must say the quality of them I found really great, no problem at all with them. These ones, yeah, I got for a £5, but as you can see, they're a great, cool, like completely versatile wardrobe item. These go with trainers, they go with heels on a night out, and yeah, these are just my favorite kind of cool casual piece that I have in my wardrobe. Next up, another one of my favorite cool pieces for investing in your wardrobe, it is the leather pencil skirt. Now, pencil skirts are all the rage this season, but don't ever think they're only in for one season. Pencil skirts are classic and they will stay in year after year. And this is one of my favorites that I have ever bought. Now, this is a Reese one, so it is real leather at the front and it's a fabric at the back, which personally I love because it makes it really wearable and easy and comfortable to wear. Obviously, leather skirts can be quite tight, quite fitted, so the fact that this is fabric at the back I really like, because it makes it really easy for everyday wear. It looks completely awesome on. It's a beautiful fit. Now, I've seen Topshop leather skirts, all leather skirts that were starting at about £100 go down in the sales. So just be savvy with when you're buying items like this, because they will go in the sales. That's the kind of thing you need to look out for. Again, perfect item for a night out. Pop a really cute like little blouse or something in this, like a black blouse or something like that. And again, it's a completely sexy look. Perfect for first dates as well. And yeah, this one that I got from Reese, I personally just love it. Here are the black high-waisted skinny jeans. Girls, do I have to sell these to you? I doubt it, but I will tell you one thing. These were the best black skinny jeans I've ever bought, and they were £8 in TK Maxx. I know, I couldn't believe it either. These are the most high-waisted long leg jeans. These are a 34 leg, which I just love, because finding long leg jeans that are like under £40 is really difficult. These make my legs look so much longer than they actually are. They're super high-waisted, so they're flattering on your waist. They make your figure and your legs look incredible. And yeah, do I need to sell you a black skinny jean? No, I don't. But if you want really nice ones, go to TK Maxx, because they have amazing ones for £8. This is obviously the classic black biker leather jacket. I got this as a hand-me-down. This is a vintage leather jacket that I got given, God, about 7 or 8 years ago, and it has done me well. A leather jacket is something that I believe everybody should have in their wardrobe, because it just makes you look so freaking awesome. All those really girly flowy dresses, you see, you put a leather jacket on top of them and you just look so cool. I know, I'm such a basic bitch sometimes, it's unreal. But yes, this one is one of my favorites. It was a hand-me-down, I love it to pieces, and girls, like, there are so many amazing leather jackets out there that, you know, you don't even have to buy leather if you can't afford to invest in leather at the time, although I would say it's completely worth it. Zara have great like faux leather biker jackets that are beautiful quality for around £50. However, they also do amazing leather jackets that are full leather for £100, and they do go in the sale. Equally, Reese, Whistles, all those kinds of shops, they do leather jackets as well, and they do go in the sales. And my sister also picked up an amazing one in the All Saints outlet. This is an amazing investment piece. If you want to spend around, I would say, £100 to £150 on something like this, it's completely worth it. You will get amazing quality for that in the sales, and yeah, you will get incredible wear out of something like this. So yeah, anyway guys, that is my top 12 investment pieces. Keep your wardrobe nice and classic and integrate with all your statement pieces and more trendy pieces. All of those pieces are things that I've invested my money in, whether it be £5 or £100. They're things that I completely see so much value in, and they stay in my wardrobe for years. And ladies, that is what you want to be doing. You want to be spending your money on stuff that you want to keep and that you want to wear. This is a great way to just start off a good capsule collection. Even if you went out and just bought a couple of these wee bits in the sales, I guarantee you they will just completely open up so many opportunities in your wardrobe. Have a fantastic week, an amazing weekend, and oh yes, please subscribe to my channel, and also my Instagram social media accounts are all in the description box, so go give me a follow on there too. Guys, I will see you soon. It feels amazing to chat to you all again. Love you all to bits. Mwah. Bye.